So meeting with this family a few months ago, we recognized that the home was really recently built. In fact, it was built in 2018, and they had just gone through one hurricane season of putting up their paneled shutters, and they decided they never wanted to do that again. So they had us come out and we talked to them about a lot of different options. We showed them several different manufacturers, a lot of different products, and they ultimately chose a great product from Custom Window Systems that's going to provide everything they were looking for. They wanted the hurricane protection, they also wanted energy efficiency. As we're going to see, they also wanted to cut down a lot of the sound associated with the road behind the home, and they've already seen a significant difference in that. So I'm anxious to see how everything turns out and learn more about this installation. So even with the home being built as recently as 2018, it still required a lot of additional work before we set in the new windows. These homes weren't built for a window as strong as what we're putting in, so we rebuilt this opening with new wood buck frames so that our new window frames can go into this and make sure that the family is really safe for the next storms and all the storms to come. So I'm going to get out of the way and let these guys finish up. So I have no idea why they wanted to cut down the outside noise when they were deciding to change out their windows. I just don't see what's wrong with this. But if they do want to get rid of that noise, they can just close the windows and it'll be a lot more peaceful in here. So I know they're excited about that as an option. So some of the windows have been completed already. This window looks fantastic. It's exactly what the homeowners were looking for. They wanted to keep the same cosmetic look with the bronze frames. They also wanted to have the hurricane protection with the energy efficiency. So with the Solar Max technology, it's going to reflect the radiant heat away from the space, making the family room a lot cooler, a lot more comfortable for them. So everything here is done, turned out perfectly. I know the family's really happy with all the decisions they made. The crew's going to finish up around the other side of the house, but everything looks great.